I used to feel stuck, always struggling to find a sense of purpose and fulfillment in my life. One night, I stumbled upon a simple prayer that changed everything for me. I began to say it daily, and slowly but surely, things started to shift. Opportunities I never imagined began to appear, and my life transformed in ways I never thought possible. This prayer became my guiding light, helping me manifest my deepest desires. It helped me a lot, and now I want to share it with you because I believe it can help you too. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. It's free and keeps you updated with the latest videos.
The power of words and thoughts cannot be underestimated. When we focus our minds on positive affirmations and prayers, we align ourselves with the universe's abundant energy. This secret prayer is a powerful tool to help you manifest everything you desire. It taps into the unlimited potential within you, guiding your thoughts and actions towards creating the life you want. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your mind to settle. In this calm state, begin to repeat the prayer silently or out loud, feeling each word resonate within you. The words you speak are a declaration to the universe, setting your intentions and opening the path to receive. This prayer is about changing your belief that you are worthy of obtaining what you want, not just about asking for what you want. Many of us struggle to actualize our desires because of uncertainties and concerns. You are also letting go of those unfavorable ideas and substituting affirmations of your potential and merit by saying this prayer. As you continue to use this prayer daily, you'll start to notice subtle changes in your thoughts and feelings. You may find yourself feeling more confident, more optimistic, and more open to new possibilities. This shift in your mindset is the first step towards manifesting your desires. Using visualization to enhance this prayer is quite effective. Imagine what you want when you speak the words. See it with clarity, as though it has already occurred, as though you were experiencing all of the happiness, excitement, and thankfulness at that same moment. When prayer and visualization are combined, a strong magnetic force is created that pulls your desires toward you. Maintaining consistency is essential. Include this prayer in your regular routine and make it a daily habit. Its effects will get stronger the more you utilize it. It resembles every day tending to a seed that has been planted. Over time, you'll see it grow and blossom into the reality you envisioned. Patience is crucial. The cosmos operates on its own schedule, but the petition initiates action. Have faith that your desires will be fulfilled and remain receptive to the possibilities and signals that present themselves. Although what we get occasionally may not look like what we had in mind, it frequently ends up just what we need. A major part of this process is gratitude. Spend a moment each day being grateful for what you already have and what is to come. Being grateful makes the good vibes surrounding you stronger and draws more benefits into your life. It's an effective technique to support your prayers and maintain an abundance-focused outlook. You might face challenges and setbacks along the way. When this happens, return to your prayer and reaffirm your intentions. Challenges are part of the journey and can serve as lessons that strengthen your resolve and clarify your desires. Use them as stepping stones rather than obstacles. Keep in mind that you are using this prayer as a tool to assist you align yourself with the abundant flow that is universal. It's a technique that fosters an optimistic and open-minded mindset rather than a miracle potion that grants desires instantaneously. You become more aware of the blessings and opportunities around you the more you use it. Have faith in both the procedure and yourself. This prayer is a tool to help you use the power within you to create the life you want. Remain dedicated to your practice and have faith in your capacity to manifest. As you continue this journey, you'll find that prayer becomes a natural part of your life. It will be your go-to tool whenever you need guidance, support, or a reminder of your potential. Let it be a constant source of strength and inspiration for you. Over time, you'll see the cumulative effect of your practice. The small shifts in your mindset will lead to significant changes in your life. You'll start to attract more of what you want and less of what you don't. Your desires will manifest in ways that are perfect for you. Remain receptive to the countless opportunities the universe presents. Every day offers a fresh chance to get in line with your aspirations and advance toward your objectives. Trust that what you want to create will come to you, and keep your heart and mind focused on it. And this hidden prayer is an effective technique that can assist you in manifesting all of your desires. Utilize it every day, pair it with imagery, maintain consistency, and cultivate thankfulness. Have faith in the process and have an open mind to all the opportunities the universe has to offer. This prayer is a tool to assist you in creating the life you desire, because you have the ability to do so. As you incorporate this prayer into your daily routine, it's important to be mindful of your thoughts and words throughout the day. Our minds are incredibly powerful, and the energy we project through our thoughts and words significantly influences our reality. When you catch yourself thinking negatively or speaking words that do not align with your desires, gently redirect your thoughts and words to match the positive intentions of your prayer. Another key aspect of this practice is self-compassion. As you work on manifesting your desires, it's crucial to be kind and patient with yourself. There may be days when you feel doubt or frustration creeping in. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment, and then refocus on your prayer and positive affirmations. Self-compassion helps maintain a steady flow of positive energy, which is essential for manifestation. One powerful technique to enhance the effectiveness of the prayer is to combine it with journaling. Each day, after reciting your prayer, take a few minutes to write down your intentions, feelings, and any insights that come to you. This practice not only reinforces your intentions, but also provides a tangible way to track your progress and reflect on your journey. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life can further support your manifestation efforts. Mindfulness helps you stay present and aware of your thoughts and actions, making it easier to align them with your desires. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even mindful walking can help you stay connected to the positive energy of your prayer. It's also helpful to set specific goals and intentions. While the prayer itself is a powerful tool, having clear, concrete goals gives you a direction to focus your energy. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, and use your prayer to guide you through each step. This approach makes the manifestation process more tangible and actionable. As you continue to practice, you'll start to notice synchronicities and opportunities aligning with your desires. Pay attention to these signs and be willing to take inspired action. Sometimes the universe presents opportunities that require you to step out of your comfort zone. Trust in the guidance you receive and take those steps with confidence. Another important aspect is to stay flexible and open to how your desires manifest. The universe often delivers our desires in ways that are unexpected, but ultimately perfect for our growth and happiness. Let go of rigid expectations and trust that what comes your way is aligned with your highest good. Maintaining a positive attitude is crucial. Even when things don't seem to be going as planned, keep your faith strong and your focus on the positive. Challenges are a natural part of the process and can serve as valuable lessons that help you grow and refine your desires. It's also beneficial to practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being supports your overall energy and helps you stay aligned with your manifestation practice. Make time for activities that nourish your soul, whether it's exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Never forget that the practice of this prayer is a journey, not a destination. Each day, each repetition of the prayer brings you closer to your desires. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your practice. And maintaining consistency is essential since it will eventually result in big changes from the cumulative impact of your daily practice. This prayer's power comes from its capacity to harmonize your words, deeds, and ideas with the abundant energy of the universe. Regularly take some time to consider your progress. Take note of your mental shift, the chances that have presented themselves, and the manifestations that have already happened. Thinking back on these fruitful results bolsters your faith in the effectiveness of the prayer and sustains your motivation to keep going. It's also helpful to adjust your prayer and intentions as you grow and evolve. As you achieve your desires, new goals and aspirations will emerge. Adapt your prayer to reflect these new intentions, keeping your practice dynamic and aligned with your current path. In moments of doubt or challenge, return to your prayer and the core belief that you have the power to create the life you desire. This foundation of faith and positive intention will guide you through any difficulties and keep you aligned with your highest potential. As you continue to practice this prayer, you'll find that it becomes a natural and integral part of your life. Its power will be reflected in the positive changes and manifestations that occur. Keep your heart and mind open, stay committed to your practice, and trust in the process. The journey of manifestation is deeply personal and unique to each individual. What works for one person may not work for another, so be willing to experiment and find what resonates best with you. Your path is your own, and honoring that individuality is key to successful manifestation. Finally, always hold gratitude in your heart. Thank the universe for the abundance that is already present in your life and for the blessings that are on their way. Gratitude amplifies your positive energy and attracts even more good into your life. With dedication, belief, and the consistent practice of this prayer, you have the power to manifest everything you desire. Stay true to your path, keep your intentions clear, and trust in the limitless potential within you.
As you take these steps to manifest your desires, trust in the process and stay committed to your practice. If this message resonated, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Your support helps keep this valuable content coming. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing how this prayer transforms your life. Thank you for watching.